Hello guys, Softony here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a modern glitch effect in After Effects. No plugins required, and this is simple and fast way to create a powerful result. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're here in After Effects, and as you can see I have already created the final composition. This is full HD, and here is my media 1 and media 2, and of course you will import your own medias. Now let's go right click to create new adjustment layer. Okay, and I will rename it. This is gonna be glitch, like so. Now let's go and find here inside the effects and preset VR Chromatic Aberrations, type just VR, and then just select this second effect, drag and drop onto our adjustment layer. And now we have this base RGB splitting here inside the final composition. Basically you can change here aberration red, green and blue. It's up to you to play around with this cool effect. And this is gonna be our base effect, and for the next one go here again in the effects and presets and just drag and drop this VR digital glitch on top of our adjustment layer. And basically here we can play around with a bunch of different options, but first of all let's make this glitch adjustment layer a little bit smaller. Something like this. Of course you can play around with the duration and everything else. Now let's go here inside this VR digital glitch effect, and basically here inside distortion option you can play around with the color distortion with RGB splitting, and you can also adjust this distortion rate. I'll make this one maybe smaller, like so. And now let's also animate this distortion evolution. I will set up my playhead somewhere around here, set up the first keyframe, click on this stopwatch, and I will go somewhere around here and just increase this number for a little bit, maybe 10 degrees. And now let's hit 0 to see the preview, and this is gonna be our cool glitch effect. You can always hit U, J and K on your keyboard to jump on the first or second keyframe. I will just maybe do 3 or 4 to make a slower animation. I will hit 0 once again, and this is gonna be great. You can also expand this adjustment layer or also keyframes. Let's try maybe something like this, hit 0, and as you can see we have this slower animation. Let's play around here with the distortion rate, also distortion complexity, and everything is basically up to you. Now let's hit 0 once again, and this is gonna be our cool looking glitch effect. What I like to do is to play around here with different blending modes. If you can find blending modes for this adjustment layer, hit here toggle switches and modes, and I will do maybe overlay. And now let's make this adjustment layer smaller again, also this keyframe, let's hit 0. Let's also try second media, hit 0. We have a runner here, and this is gonna be our cool looking glitch effect. Alright guys, that was everything for today's tutorial, and also if you found something new, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe if you haven't already, and take a look at my channel for more great tutorials. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye!